Hi everyone, I'm Cousin Carol with Ameritrain. In this video, we will discuss why you should become a Mortgage Loan Originator, or MLO for short. If this is your first time on this channel, please take a moment to subscribe to receive more mortgage-related content. If you've been thinking about joining the mortgage industry for some time, but aren't quite sure what it takes, or if you're trying to decide between becoming a real estate agent or an MLO, this video will give you the answers you've been seeking. In this video, I will explain why being an MLO is a solid idea, compare and contrast MLO's functions with those of real estate agents, and share several benefits of working as a loan originator in the mortgage industry. Why don't we get started? An excellent place to begin is to define the role of an MLO. MLOs help potential buyers secure mortgage financing, which most buyers need to become homeowners. Because purchasing a home is likely the most expensive purchase an individual will make, they will need assistance getting funds to do so. This is where an MLO comes in. The MLO gathers borrowers' personal data like income, assets, credit, etc., takes a complete application with an individual's residence, employment, and other pertinent information, and submits all that data to an underwriter who ultimately determines loan approval. Essentially, MLOs let borrowers know if they qualify for mortgage financing and help them navigate the loan approval process. Now that you have some idea of what an MLO does, let's clear up some confusion many individuals have about the functions and duties of an MLO compared to a real estate agent. Why don't we start with the similarities and then delve into the differences between the two roles? Both MLOs and real estate agents must obtain and maintain a license to operate in their state. Each state has a regulatory body that mandates that MLOs and real estate agents meet specific guidelines before getting license approval. Some criteria include being at least 18 years of age and having a high school diploma or a general educational development certificate, otherwise referred to as a GED. A GED is an alternative to a traditional high school diploma. MLOs and real estate agents cannot work independently. Real estate agents must work for a real estate broker. Meanwhile, an MLO must work for either a depository institution like a bank or credit union or a non-depository institution like a mortgage broker or lender. What's the difference between a depository and a non-depository institution? A depository institution is a financial institution that obtains its funds primarily through deposits from the public. Think about where you currently deposit your paychecks now. That is a depository institution. Individuals cannot make deposits in non-depository institutions. One primary difference between MLOs that work for non-depository institutions and those that work for depository institutions is that MLOs that work for a broker or lender must be state licensed. For more in-depth information on these differences, check out our Become an MLO in 6 Steps video for more details. While MLOs can work for depository institutions, the focus of this video is MLOs with an interest in working for non-depository institutions. Now that you're aware of the similarities between MLOs and real estate agents, we'll take a few moments to examine the differences. Real estate agents assist individuals with finding a home for purchase. They help with marketing properties, contract negotiations, coordinating open houses and home inspections, and other due diligence activities. Mortgage Loan Originators, MLOs, guide borrowers through the mortgage financing process from application to closing. They provide estimates of fees and closing costs, assess a borrower's creditworthiness, verify personal qualifying information, and use their loan product knowledge to assist borrowers with securing the best loan for their unique circumstances. Why would someone want to become a licensed MLO instead of a real estate agent? There are several really great reasons you should want to become an MLO. We'll cover just a few here. First, Let's talk about an excellent reason to become an MLO. You will be a financial consultant. As a financial consultant, all parties rely on your expertise. This includes the buyer, who needs loan approval to purchase a home. The selling agent and buyer's agent cannot get paid until the buyer closes on the transaction. Sellers typically need to sell their homes to purchase another or to collect profits from the sale. The closing attorney or settlement agent relies on the loan closing to derive revenues for their title and closing services. Home appraisers would be non-existent if a buyer or homeowner did not need mortgage financing. As you can see, the common thread for all parties outlined starts with the loan origination and its ultimate approval. That's your job. Another benefit of becoming an MLO is that you can control your schedule. The job of an MLO is not confined to 9 to 5 hours. That's right. You're not tied to a physical office building, as most MLOs work from home or wherever they want. Having complete control of your schedule allows you to work around your personal commitments, as you're technically your own boss. Of course, you must manage your time and productivity, so creating a structure for yourself is important. Speaking of controlling your schedule, work-life balance is another advantage of being an MLO. Flexibility is the name of the game. To whom and when you communicate with relevant parties is up to you. You're able to prioritize family activities, such as attending your children's events, picking up your kids after school, running errands based on your life commitments, and not allowing others to dictate when and where you can do anything you consider a priority. If you're seeking a salary position with caps on your income, there are better fits than working as an MLO. Instead, MLOs have a very high earning potential based on their work ethic and commitment to helping their customers. No waiting around for someone to tell you what a great job you did while making them richer. Nope. MLOs receive a fixed percentage of each homebuyer's loan amount. Given that the average home sale price in the US is approximately $480,000, working in the mortgage space can be pretty lucrative. Again, there is no income limit, as your earnings are completely based on your performance. Suppose you want to help others obtain their American dream of becoming homeowners while building generational wealth through real estate. In that case, you will want to cultivate client relationships by expanding your network to include friends, family, and others. That's right. It is not just what you know, but who you know that can help you succeed in this field. Unlike some industries where products and services are non essential, everyone needs to live somewhere, and most prefer to own their home rather than rent. This means you have a captive audience of potential buyers who need help to secure mortgage financing, and you might be the right person to help them accomplish this goal. Our final benefit of becoming an MLO is your ability to leverage technology. In a post COVID-19 world, most mortgage applications are done online, making the process easy for customers and MLOs. Gone are the days when driving 30 minutes to meet someone in person at an office or local coffee shop was the predominant way to take customers' applications. While these options are still available, individuals rely on them less, as there is a growing comfort level with using technology, from finding an MLO to purchasing a home. There is a greater reliance on text messaging and live chats via cell phones or face to face with software like Zoom or WhatsApp. I hope I've piqued your interest in becoming an MLO. If you cannot recall all of the great points shared in this video, check out our link in the description below. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with someone you think can benefit from watching it as well. Remember, you can visit our website at Ameritrain.com for all of your professional mortgage education needs. If you want more mortgage content, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to Ameritrain on social media. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. As always, we thank you for joining us. Subscribe at youtube.com/@Ameritrain and visit us at Ameritrain.com to learn more.